It is morning dormitory, bro. It is morning, 8 a.m. and I'm getting my things to go to the university. But like today, I'll go alone. What guys doing? It is managing students' documents, like as he's the man, the head of our group. Yeah. Our plan, by the way, to sell all these random people. And Sanya scrolling reels. Show them reels. Yeah. It's like morning routine. Scrolling reels is necessary procedure to be successful. And I'm going to have a breakfast. My breakfast is a salad. And this pretty much. Listening music. Good, beautiful morning. Night. Hi guys, now I'm in our university's locker room. This is like a room when we can change clothes and do sport then. And I'm gonna play here alone, play basketball, like before classes. And we have like this is a locker, it's called locker. We will put our clothes inside and then go play basketball in our gym. Look at this, guys, this is our Russian gym. It looks so old, like in my first school in the village. A lot of balls, like for football, for basketball, for volleyball. Hampers, pop-up hamper. This is a pop-up hamper. And this kind of, well, I'm gonna hoop right now. Okay, let's go. Hoop. You know, despite the fact that our gym is not really modern, this changing room is good. Let's learn vocabulary here, because I have a free time till university. We have a lockers, bench. It's like a zone for changing clothes. We have a fan. After bathroom, we can dry our hair. Mirror. This is a socket, wall socket. You can plug in and plug out, in, out. This is a radiator, all right. Window sill, garbage bin, or trash can, trash bin, as you wish. Some kind of pipes. This is a pipe. And this is a zone. This is a map. This is our bathroom. Here we can take a shower after doing sports, like shower partitions, you see? Partitions and kind of shower space. And there's a toilet, sink. This kind of practice, I've done sport, I feel good, for real, bro. Now it's time to get to the college and take 2 classes. Today I have 2 classes. And after those 2 classes, I'm planning to go to play football. Yeah, in the evening with my friends in our football field. We're gonna gather there and play football. Well, today is a beautiful day again, bro. As you can see today, I'm walking here alone because all my friends in dormitory, Vita and Sanya, they got sick. Yeah, they got a cough in your chest. Some kind of problems. Hopefully they're not gonna die because that's not such a serious disease. But in any case, I am alone and I can't have fun. It's boring, honestly. A little bit of Moscow. Mall to get shopping, to get food, and this is a subway. We're going down subway. Moscow life. Tapping transportation card. Again, I'm gonna say it in every my video. Alright. Moving staircase. Going down. It's the middle of the day, so it's not overcrowded at all. Because people are already mostly in the workplaces or in the colleges. Guys, this is my college. That's my college building where I'm having classes basically today. And I already bought to like this basic bakery like bun or something with the cottage cheese inside. And I'm gonna eat it right now while walking. Maybe I will go to the park because I have like a half an hour till the first class. Yeah, my college is located in the very middle of, in the very center of Moscow. So it's pretty comfortable and we have beautiful views in the streets, we have parks, we have bridges, people, cool, in general, nice. It's called bun, but maybe scone something, I don't know how you guys call this in America, I just have no idea, honestly. Please tell me in the comments, what is this like in America? It is so good, I'm going to be honest. And by the way guys, if you're interested, you can watch a video where I'm walking in that park, and there's a huge gate, and there is a huge park, the biggest park in Russia. So we read the films and learn vocabulary there, but if you didn't see it yet, you can watch, yeah, after this video. Watch an American movie. I finished my classes, 2 classes without my friends. It was kind of boring as I expected, but anyway, you feel me right now. I'm planning to get some documents in our student department. Take a look at this pyramid. And Moscow downtown. It's like tradition to film downtown every day. And pyramids, backyard of a popular coffee shop. Dumpster, I don't know what I'm feeling this as dumpsters. And look at this, I guess I haven't filmed this part of campus yet. These buildings, look at this architecture. Look, that's not modern, that's more ancient style. But anyway, it looks super good. Yeah. Look at these people, they're probably really smart. There's a museum. And this is actual museum. Geological. Has some kind of exhibits like fossils or something. Corals, crystals, I don't know. That's really wild, that's fire. Look at this. Here we have kinda speaking performance. Lecture, probably. Yeah, lecture. Alright, let's get out of here because I'm hungry, bro. I wanna buy real lunch right now in the dining room. Well, where is the way out? Okay, look at this. Everything is so cool and white. Damn. Okay, let's go to dining room. There is a big line to get lunch. Well, today I'm going to be eating pasta with the meat and some kind of pepper, red pepper. Also, classic soup, drink, I don't know what it is, and bread and bakery, standard lunch. And let's learn vocabulary. Like this is a tray, bowl, spoon, plate, like blue plate, and glass. And this is a napkin, white napkin. Oh, we got a salt shaker and paper shaker. And we have this kind of colorful, modern, full of lights dining room or cafeteria, like we can call it as we want. Yeah, it's done. It's eaten. The food has been eaten, but partly. Like, I don't like the soup. It wasn't good.
Hello,
like,
guys,
I met my
how
friend,
are you doing?
and he's planning to become a fitness professional guy.
No, I'm not trying to. No, I'm trying to get fit. You know, guys. I'm trying to-
Physically fit.
Yeah, physically fit. Like slipper ball. You guys know what is slipper ball?
Where are you from?
I'm from Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, baby.
He's from Russia.
Yes. By the way, I love this neighborhood. That's so beautiful. Like, and you have dormitory right
Yeah,
in front of.
we have our
downtown
dormitory
Moscow.
here, there, in central Russia.
Yeah, that's fire. Such a nice neighborhood. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. And there's building something in there. I know our plan is to play football with our friends and to enjoy this.
He plays well. He plays a good,
Thank you. You too.
he's a good player, like Ronaldo.
Look, this bro is also filming something, making content. We have a football field. Like in the British, they call it pitch, but in American they call it field, right? Like we have a gate, good grass, artificial grass. Man, how you doing? Здорово. I'm vlogging, yeah, for YouTube. So, здорово. Now we have a changing room.
Хорошо, без проблем. О, Матей, ты тоже?
Mateo, hey man, how you doing?
Здорово, брат.
Mateo from Ecuador. Yes, see.
Hello.
Hello. Look at our changing room. It's pretty compact. Nice. Let's dress. Yo guys, it's already getting darker outside, but we have lights around the field. Yeah, on the beach. Tima got injury. Look at this. They're playing football. In general, we play almost every single week like this, once a week, playing football. And I can state that it definitely doing sport definitely helped me to learn things and just to stay focused and to be happy in this life. Cause like there's a connection. I firmly believe that that's true. That doing sport it's really important. No cap. It was my day. I hope you learned something new. I hope you spend a good time. Like I'm sweaty because I played the game. I scored, by the way, 1 goal. It was pretty good. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Good luck in your learning and see you soon. Definitely maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. But yeah, thank you, bro. Bye bye. Bye bye. Have a good day.